Kia and Hyundai are making significant investment totaling over 118 billion to transition to electric vehicles by the end of the decade. Part of this strategy includes developing a new electric vehicle architecture that will support one of the industry's largest batteries. The first model on this platform is expected to be a Kia branded sedan. This new vehicle riding on the EM platform will feature a 113.2 kWh battery pack, offers a maximum range of 497 miles on a full charge. Different versions of the vehicle will be available, with the top model reportedly featuring 603 horsepower, making it the most powerful production Kia in history. The new platform will be more modular than the current E-GMP platform, supporting various models and technologies. Until the new Kia arrives in 2025, the company will continue to offer its existing lineup of electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles. While plug-in hybrids are not Kia's main focus, they still meet some demands and will remain in production. The Kia Stinger will be discontinued soon, but not before the 2024 Kia Stinger Tribute Edition is sold out. This special edition starts at $54,565, including destination and handling fees.